In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, click on the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen and select Settings. Now select Time in Language. After that, from the left-hand side of the screen, select Language, which is between region and speech. Now here, you'll get the section of Windows Display Language. Go ahead and select this drop-down menu and select the language that you've downloaded on your Windows to apply it. If you do not have any language beside the one that you're using, you can go to the section of preferred languages, click on Add a Language, and then search or scroll down to find the language that you're looking for. I'm going to go ahead and search for Spanish, and I'm going to select Spanish Mexico, then select Next. Check the box of Install Language Pack. And if you want your Windows to display this certain language, also check this box and click on Install. Likewise, you can click on Add Language again and download any language that you want. Then after, you can click on this drop-down menu and select the language that you want to display or set it in your Windows computer. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.